Page 18. You know, number 1 here.
Stomach.
Okay, you have a stomach. Okay. A. Did I wrong?
Yes.
Okay, here, CH. It's very rare. It's very few. 很少的情况下 here is k. So it's stomach, stomach, ache. Is that okay? Stomach. No, stomach. Is that the E here?
No.
Okay, stomach, right? Stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
Okay, it's here. Stomach ache. Is that okay?
Yes.
I think stomach. It's here. 胃痛, stomach ache. Is that okay? The first one. And number 2 is
Headache.
Okay, headache. Okay, headache. Is that okay? Am I recording?
Yes.
Okay, headache. And number 3 is
Cold.
huh?
Cold.
Okay, I want to tell you that if this here, you have toothache. Toothache.
Ooh.
Okay, toothache. Understand? It's together. Is that okay? Toothache. Okay. Okay, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3. Everywhere. Toothache. Okay? And maybe you have so many, so you say teeth ache. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay, and number 3 is you say cold, right? I got cold. Okay. And number 4 is
Fever.
okay, it's fever.
Fever. Oh.
Okay, it's fever. Okay, fever. 我每次都感冒发烧吗 and number 5 is
Sore.
okay, sore
Throat.
throat. Okay, sore throat. Okay, and you may get cough. 可是我忘记 cough 怎么拼了。CAUGH. I think it's cough like this. Let me check for you. So we have cold, fever, and a cough. And we also have running nose. Running nose. Running nose. Okay. Sometimes you have cough, and sometimes you have you know what is running nose?
Yes.
Okay, understand? Okay, so and on the conversation, okay, on the conversation 1, he say, "What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter?" Or some people will say, "What's the matter?" Okay, what's the matter? And you say, "I have a blah blah blah." Okay, I have a stomach ache. I have a headache. I have a cold. I have a fever. Okay, or I have a toothache. I have a sore throat. I have a cough. Or I have a running nose. Is that okay?
Fever.
Yes.
So you have many teeth, very cold. So you can say I have teeth.
Yeah, but usually people still say toothache.
So don't.
But I will say I have teeth ache because I have many teeth. But usually 1 is very bad, and 2, 3 together. Oh, that's really, really bad.
So if you use teeth ache,
I think people will understand.
And then don't have a.
Huh?
I have a. Don't have a.
You will still say I have a toothache because this is a sickness. This is a be. Okay, so I will say I have a toothache because I tell you there's many teeth. Okay, but usually I think still people will say I have a toothache, but you will say, oh, but my 2 teeth hurt. You will still say, even you have 2, 3, 4, you will still say toothache, but you will say, oh, but I have 2 teeth hurt. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's write this on your writing book. Say, what's the matter? I have a blah blah blah. Is that okay?
Okay.
Like 4 question, 4 answer. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay. So we have cold, fever, and cough, and running nose, and sore throat, and maybe we still have flu. On books, oh, I don't think you will have book 6. Flu. I have a flu. I think it's like this. And that is 流感. Okay? Now what we're gonna do is, if you want to ask, like Ethan want to ask, say, Patrick, what's the matter? And then Patrick have to answer. Okay? Okay? Or Milo want to ask Ethan, what's the matter? And then Ethan have to answer. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Go. Ethan. You choose who you want to. Louder.
Milo, what's the matter?
I have
One more time.
Milo, what's the matter?
I have a stomach ache.
Mm-hmm.
Patrick.
Excuse me.
Stomach ache.
Yeah, it's not stomach. It's stomach ache. One more time.
I have a stomach ache.
Ache. Okay. Your turn.
Patrick, what's the matter? I have a running nose.
Okay, Patrick, your turn.
Ethan, what's the matter?
I have a fever.
Patrick, your turn.
Milo, what's the matter? I have a headache.
I have a headache. Milo, your turn.
Ethan, what's the matter?
I have
Excuse me?
Matter.
I have a headache.
No, headache.
Headache.
Yes.
Patrick, what's the matter?
Mm-hmm.
I have a toothache.
I have a, because my tooth hurts so much, so I cannot tell. I have a. One more time. Ask him again. Ethan, ask him again.
What's the
Yeah, you can say.
what's
What's the matter, Patrick?
the matter, Patrick?
What's the matter, Patrick?
What's the matter, Patrick?
I have a toothache.
Toothache, not ache. Because
I have a toothache.
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 Okay, your turn.
What's the matter, Milo? I have a flu.
Okay, Milo, it's your turn.
What's the matter, Ethan?
I have a cold.
Mm-hmm.
What's the matter, Milo?
I have a cold.
Mm-hmm.
What's the matter,
Patrick?
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat. Your turn.
What's the matter, Ethan?
I have a running nose.
I have a running nose. So your nose has something running. Okay, so that is a running nose. Okay, good. Now we're going to do. Okay, how about this? I think on your activity book. Okay, on your activity book, it's here. Okay, page 25. Can you write page 25?
Okay.
Page 25. I think it's the same thing. But I haven't checked that yet. Okay, page 25. Okay, write your activity book, page 25. The reading. Ready, go.
Stars.
From the topic.
A bright
star. Stars are giant.
No.
Giant.
Giant is very big. Remember? Okay, a person is giant means it's very tall, very big. Giant. And?
Gas balls.
All
stars shine bright light.
Our
sun shines brightly too.
Okay.
It is a very large star.
Our sun.
A very large
Star. Our sun is close to us. It keeps the earth warm. It gives us warmth and light. You shouldn't look at the sun. The brightness could damage your eyes.
Damage. Okay, teacher gonna read this to you. A bright star. Stars are giant gas balls. All stars shine bright. All stars shine bright light. Our sun shines brightly too. It is a very large star. Our sun is close to us. It keeps the earth warm. It gives us the warmth and the light. You shouldn't look at the sun. The brightness could damage your eyes. Is that okay? Okay, I'm gonna say something. Today we have bright, right? Did you see it? Am I recording?
Yes.
And we have brightness. Okay, and we have warm. And we have warmth. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so it's like this. I have okay, the sun is a bright light, right? And the sun is a bright star. You can understand, right? It has a lot of light, so it's very bright. So like this, if I turn the light off, and this light look a little bit bright, right? So the sun is very bright. And so you can say the sun is a bright star. Okay? Okay? And but the brightness, it's a little bit difficult to understand. So because it's so bright, so his brightness, like the sun has the very bright light, right? So the brightness,
Sun.
will hurt you, hurt your eyes. The brightness of the sun will hurt your eyes. So what do you guess the brightness here in Chinese? Think about that. The sun is a very bright star, right? So the brightness of the sun will hurt your eyes.
强光。
对，它的亮光或它的亮度。Understand? Understand? So in English, 这个是形容词，它很光亮，对不对？这个时候光亮，国语英文它都会跟你讲说光亮的，帮助你告诉你这个是用来形容名词的，可以吗？或是形容人的 ，like Patrick is a bright boy。有一些人看起来就是你懂我意思吗？你还是可以说他是一个这样的人，But his brightness makes me happy。他的那种，有些人看起来就是亮亮的，有没有？有些人看起来就是这样暗暗的，所以他的 brightness 那个时候我很难解释那个 brightness 是什么，但是就是他有 brightness， 你可以了解了吗 ？Understand? Yes or no? 好，来 ，This is a warm. What is the warm there? A warm, warm. This is a warm
food.
Warm food. The warm food is a warm food. No, food 我们不会用啦。来，我看一下，我忘记它里面用什么 warm 用在哪里。Keep us warm, right? Warm. Okay. The sun keep us warm. The sun keeps us warm. 所以让我们有温暖嘛，对不对？让我们有温暖的感觉嘛，对不对 ？But the warmth of the sun. No, the warmth of the sun
can help people.
Okay, helps people. Helps the plants grow. Right? Right? 因为温暖的时候，植物是长得比较快的 ，right？ 所以这里是温暖的名词，你懂我意思吗？它给我温暖，所以 she gave me warmth。OK， 但是它让我温暖，是让我觉得温暖的，这样懂了吗？让我觉得温暖，这个时候这个温暖就是形容词了，可以了解了吗？英文有这样的差别，但是我们中文比较没有，所以你要稍微了解一下。Okay, or I say it is hot. Okay, but the heat. 热度。Okay, understand? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
所以小孩你抄起来 ，warm, warmth, bright, brightness, hot, heat. Is that okay? Write it down. Okay, am I record? Okay. Okay. The sun is a bright star. So here, teacher gonna speak Chinese. 我们说这个是形容词。OK， 然后我们用来形容词只用来形容人或是物或是地方。So the sun is a bright star. Okay, but the sun shine bright. You cannot say sun shine bright. We say the sun shine brightly. 还是一样，是很光亮的，太阳光是很光亮的照着，光亮地，它就会，如果你去国中，它就会写光亮地照着 ，OK，and she can dance well， She is a good dancer. Is that okay? Understand? She is a beautiful girl. She can dance beautifully. Understand? Is that okay? So you cannot say she can dance beautiful. She can dance beautifully. Okay? And she is a beautiful girl. Okay, is that okay? Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's about, what about in your writing? He say the stars are giant gas ball. Okay, giant is very big, right? And the gas, I'm gonna speak Chinese. Gas 就是气体的 gas ball. So that means the stars are made of gas. 是由气体组成的。Okay, and all stars shine brightly. Shines bright light. Okay, shine bright light or shine brightly. Okay, and our sun shines brightly too. Do you think the sun is very bright?
Yes.
Okay, and he said it's very large. It is a very large star. Is the sun large to us? Is sun a large star?
Yes.
Okay, and he said the sun is close to us, but not very close. It's too close, then it will be too hot. And if the sun is far away from us, then we'll be too cold. Okay, so it's close, but not very close, and not very hot, far away, and it keeps the earth warm because it's close enough, but not very close. 够接近，但是不接近。有些东西是不是这样？太接近了会烫到 ，right? So, and it gives us warmth and a light. 有没有？这里就是名词。刚才那个 warm 是形容词，再来 give us warmth and a light， 给我们温暖跟什么光。If you shouldn't look at the sun, you shouldn't because it's gonna hurt your eyes. The brightness 那个强光 could damage your eyes. Damage 会伤害你的眼睛。Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's circle the words. Okay, giant. Okay, circle the words. Giant 要背的 giant. Yes, and brightly. Okay, and large. Okay, and okay. Oh, teacher gonna speak Chinese. Close 我们说是关起来，对不对 ？Close 还有一个意思就是很接近。So our sun is close to us. 请你把整个句子都背起来。Our sun is close to us. Okay, so you can say Patrick is close to me. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay, and it keeps the earth warm. 好 keeps the warm. 保持什么东西的温暖 keeps the warm. Okay, keep the earth warm. 要背起来。Okay, and you shouldn't. You shouldn't. 你不应该。You shouldn't look at the You shouldn't Is that okay? You should, like at school, you shouldn't run in the classroom, right?
Yes.
And you shouldn't eat in class. 在上课的时候不可以，对不对？好 like damage your eyes. Damage your eyes. 会伤害你的眼睛。Is that okay? Okay, so I'm gonna have you read. Okay, sorry.
Stars are giant gas balls. All stars shine bright light. Our sun shines brightly too.
It is a very large star. Our sun is close to us. It keeps the earth warm. It gives us warmth and light. You shouldn't look at the sun. The brightness could damage your eyes.
Your eyes. Okay? You're reading page 17. Now number 1 is shine, right? The sun is shining. Okay, and number 2 is brighter.
Oh.
Brighter. Excuse me, B-R-I-G-H-T. And number 3 is damage. It's not gas. This is gas. Okay? Erase and write it again. Let's turn to page 18. Okay, page 18. Look at the picture. The picture. Can you see that the white ball? This is a. Do you know what a ball is? This is a golf.
Oh.
It's a golf ball. Okay, 高尔夫球的球. And golf, you just hit the ball and shoot it into the hole. So this golf ball is very close to the hole. Did you see it? Okay, and number 2. Oh, number 2 is warmth. 这从哪里看到 warmth 啊？看不出来。
温馨。
哦，温馨的。哦，好，不是温暖。Okay, and number 3 is star. Okay, and let's answer the question. Okay, Milo, can you read number 1?
What is the reading mainly about?
Uh-huh.
A. The stars.
Yes, especially they are talking about the star, the sun, right? Okay, and number 2. Ethan, can you read number 2?
Stars are balls of gas.
Yes, stars are balls of gas. Okay, and number 3, Patrick?
It is good to look at the sun.
No, it's not true.
Oh.
It's false because it's gonna damage your eyes. Okay, and write the correct word. Number 1, Milo.
A. The sun is very bright.
Okay, the sun is very bright. How about the moon? Is the moon bright?
No.
The moon has no light, right?
Yes.
Because the moon is not a star. Okay, star 我们翻成行星，但是那个或是恒星，但是 the moon is 它是一个卫星，所以是不一样的。Okay, so the moon doesn't have light. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, and number 2. Hey, number 1 has to be big. Excuse me.
All stars are bright.
All stars are bright. Okay, if that is not bright, that is not a star. Like the moon is not a star. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Okay, 它有归类的哦，可能是行星，可能是恒星，对不对？我们地球是行星，对不对？太阳是恒星，但是月亮是什么？是卫星，你知道吗？就是绕着，就是在行星周围的这些星是卫星 ，so they are different. Okay, so they might have no light. Okay, and C, C.
Do not.
我们在念的时候，你有没有在看你在干嘛？
Do not look at the sun.
对 Yes, do not look at the sun because it's gonna damage your eyes, right? And D.
It will damage your eyes.
Yeah, because the brightness of the sun will damage your eyes. Okay, now we're gonna read. Circle the correct answer. Circle the correct answer. Okay? You guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, number 1, Patrick.
It is a very big star.
Okay, Milo, number 2.
We see most stars at night.
Yes, because some of us. Oh, do you know why is we see the star at night? Because the sun is so bright, so you cannot see other stars because they are not bright. Okay, even they have light. 我在讲，你没有在听，你又一直在讲，你在玩。来，请问一下，我刚才讲什么？我刚才讲什么 ？Patrick, what did I say? What did I just say?
You say because
Because the sun is so bright.
Oh.
So at the daytime we cannot see other stars because they are not bright.
Oh.
So only when we cannot see the light of the sun, we can see the other stars. Because at that time we can see their brightness. But if the sun come out, the sun is too bright, so we cannot see. 对，你们应该有听过这个概念吧
Yes.
Right? 因为太阳光太亮了，所以你看不到其他的星，只有在太阳光不见的时候，你才会看到其他的，因为那个时候你才会发现它的亮光，它的亮光没有像太阳那么大。Is that okay? Understand? 看，老师教英文还可以教自然科学。Okay, number 3.
Stars shine brightly.
Stars shine brightly. Okay. How about the sun? The sun?
Shines brightly.
Yes, shines brightly. And number 4.
He looked at the sun.
He looks at the sun. Okay, number 5.
It go around the earth.
It go around? No, it goes around. It. So it goes around, not it go round. Okay, he looks, it goes, because he, she, it, you have to put s, remember? Okay, and number 6, Ethan?
Clouds reflect light.
Clouds reflect light. Yes. Okay, how about the cloud? The cloud reflects, right? Okay, and so what shouldn't you eat? And you say, the number 1 say,
You shouldn't eat flowers.
What shouldn't you look at? Milo?
You shouldn't look at the sun.
Okay. What shouldn't you play with?
You shouldn't play with fireworks.
Okay. Or you shouldn't play with fires, right? When you are a little boy, mom or dad, you say you don't play with the fire, right? Remember?
Yes.
Okay, number 1. Milo, what shouldn't you eat?
You shouldn't eat flowers.
Okay, Patrick, what shouldn't you look at?
You shouldn't look at the sun.
Okay. And Ethan, what shouldn't you play with?
You shouldn't play with fireworks.
Fireworks, okay. You shouldn't. Like, you shouldn't run in the classroom, right? You shouldn't run in the classroom. Okay? Or you shouldn't cheat on your exam. Maybe peek. You shouldn't peek other people's exam. like this. You peek like I'm writing my exam. I'm like, okay, you peek. Understand? Okay? Or you shouldn't talk when you have food in your mouth.
Oh.
Right? 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 You shouldn't cough if you don't cover your mouth. Right? You don't cover your mouth. Okay? Or you shouldn't play with the stove. Boom, boom. Your mom cooked the fire. You shouldn't play with the stove. Right? You shouldn't play with the stove. The stove is the things your mom cooked with fire. That's the stove. You shouldn't play with the stove. Understand?
Teacher.
Yes.
So the shouldn't means 不该.
Yeah, 不应该. You shouldn't. Okay, you shouldn't look at the sun, right? Because it's gonna damage your eyes, right? You shouldn't eat too much sugar or too much candy. You shouldn't eat too much candy. Too much candy. Right? Is that okay? You shouldn't. Okay, think about one more. You shouldn't. Oh, you shouldn't fight with your brother or sister. Alright? You shouldn't fight with your siblings.
You shouldn't ride a scooter.
Oh, no. Okay, you shouldn't fight with your siblings. Siblings means your brothers and sisters. Siblings means your brothers and the sisters. Siblings. Oh no, it's not siblings. Siblings. Okay? Understand? So you shouldn't fight with your sister. You shouldn't fight with your brother. Will you fight with your sister?
No.
No, because it's too little, right? She's too little. Understand? So you write. Okay, and what else you shouldn't do? You shouldn't ride scooter if you don't have a drive license. Right? I can ride scooter because I'm old enough and I have a license. So you shouldn't ride a scooter if you don't have the drive license. Right? Understand? Okay, write this down. So you will know what you shouldn't do. Okay, write it down on your notebook. You shouldn't. Okay? You shouldn't. The emperor looked at Yapo. No, this is not good. This is not good. Wait for me. Last week we finished like the emperor looked at Yapo and thought for a minute. Then he remembered something, right?
Yes.
Okay, ready? Go.
Just yesterday, he stole a lot of money from the rich man. The emperor sighed. I cannot plant the seed, he said.
The emperor sighed. I cannot plant the seed because I'm not honest person. I'm not an honest person because I steal a lot of money from a rich man. He signed. Okay, one more time. Just yesterday. Ready, go.
Just yesterday, he stole a lot
Stole.
from a rich man. He
Stole.
a lot of money from rich man. The emperor sign. I cannot plant the seed.
Okay.
He said.
Okay.
That's your advisor.
Advisor. The I here is I. Advisor. Okay, and we don't say advisor. The S here we say Z sound. So, hey, write it down. The I here is I, and the S here is Z. So, the advisor. The advisor. Okay? Okay, the advisor plant it. Okay, say apple. So the advisor 是他的，比方说他的顾问或是他的大臣，而且大臣是不是都是他的顾问来帮助他的 ？Okay, that ready go.
Let
Faster.
your advisor plant it, said Yappo.
Oh.
No, I cannot. The advisor cried. A few months ago.
A few months ago.
A man
Wanted. Okay, A-W we say laws. Changed. They want to change. They want to make the law different. Okay, and
the man gave
the advisor
some money to change them.
Okay, so yeah, some people will do that. They want to change, so they give the governor or the advisor some money so they can change it. So the law will be good for them. Okay, and keep going.
Well, how about the
general? Very good.
General of the
army 好，部队的将军。Okay. The thief.
The thief asked.
Okay, so one more time from just yesterday.
Just yesterday, he stole a lot of money from a rich man. The emperor sighed. I cannot plant the seed, he said. Let your advisor plant it, said Yappo. No, I cannot. The advisor cried. A few months ago, a man wanted some laws changed.
你都不写下来，难怪你都一直念错，小哥哥。Changed, wanted. Changed, wanted. Okay, and the man
gave the advisor some money to change them. Well, how about the general of the army? The thief
asked. Okay, and he say, I can't.
The general said he had a horse. It was a gift for the emperor. But he kept it for himself.
好 kept 是 keep 的过去式 so I cannot, but someone gave the horse want to give to the emperor, but I keep that for myself。所以那个要给国王的礼物的嘛，他就自己收下来了。Okay, one more time. I can't. Ready, go.
I can't. The general said.
General, not general.
General said.
He
He have a horse.
It was a gift for the emperor.
A gift.
A gift
For
the emperor, but he kept it for himself. Yapo said, None of.
Okay, 所以后面的一是没有声音的。None of you.
None of you can plant the seed. Each of you
Each
at
of
one time
one time sow something or cheated someone, but you didn't go to jail. I poor Yapo stole an apple when I was hungry. I went to jail. Is that right?
Okay, 你知道他在讲什么了吗？他说：“你们这些人，要不然就是偷了别人的东西，要不然就是说谎。但是你们都没有去监狱，只有我这么穷的人，因为我肚子饿，我偷了1颗苹果，我就去了监狱。”他说：“这样是对的吗 ？”Okay, and keep going.
The emperor looked
thoughtfully.
Thoughtfully at Yapo. Go, Yapo, he said. You are a free man.
So you won't be in the jail. You are now free. Okay, so thoughtful 是很思考的，看着很思考的看着他分成什么？很若有所思的看着 Yapo， 然后他就说 Yes, you shouldn't, you don't need to be in the jail. You are now free. Is that okay? So yeah, sometimes when we say other people are not good because they are cheating or they are stolen, but we have to think about ourselves. Do we do the same thing? Just like they do, right? So we have to think. If we think they are not good people, we'll say, oh, they are not good people, blah, 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 blah. But think about if we are a good person. 好，当我们在批评别人的时候，在指责别人的时候，我们就需要想想我们有没有做不应该做的事。Is that okay?
Okay.
That is, ooh, don't get cold feet. 啊，这个会很简单。来吧，我们一小段就好了。好 ，Don't get cold feet。来，小孩，这个比较有趣的是，当你有粗粗黑黑的字，它后面都有解释。What is cold feet? Okay, that's fine. What is cold feet? Okay, turn to next page. You can say, get cold feet. What does that mean? Get cold feet.
临阵退缩。
Okay, means you think, oh, I cannot do it, so I don't do it. Okay, let's read this. Don't get cold feet. Okay, ready, go.
We use our feet a lot. And we also use food
idioms 啊，好，这是他们所说的 idiom， 就是用这样做成的一个俗语，有点像我们的什么叫什么不开花装蒜，或是猪八戒照镜子，有点类似这样的东西。好，就是不是按照这个字面上的意思去听的。好，来 ，keep going。To
get cold feet means you get
nervous. I'm so afraid. I'm nervous. I cannot do it. No. That's nervous. Okay?
Okay,
do you know what is nervous in Chinese? What is nervous? 或是很紧張。Okay? Keep going about something.
You're
Playing.
To do. You may not be sure you want to be anymore.
So maybe this is too difficult. Maybe it is too scary. You just don't want to do it. Okay? And keep going.
To jump in with both feet.
Both feet.
Means
it's all here. Both feet.
Both feet.
OK， 跳进去，双脚要跳进去了，是不是都完全参与在里面了 ？OK， so that means you means what? You begin
to begin something right away.
就是马上去做了 ，right? And keep going
to start off on the right foot. Means to begin something in a good way.
Okay, so if you start on the right foot, it's a good way. How about on the left foot? Maybe that's good way, right? And keep going.
When you put your foot down, you take charge. You tell someone that they must or must not do something.
Okay, so when you take charge, you say, oh, Milo, you do this. Or Ethan, you do that. And Ethan, you don't do this. And Ethan, you don't do that. And Patrick, you do this. So you in charge. 你在负责了. Okay, you take charge. And keep going.
You tell someone that
if you drag your feet. If you drag your feet. Oh, one more time. When you drag your feet.
When you drag your feet.
You
do something.
You do something
very slowly or not at all.
So you almost didn't start. You do that very, very slowly. And
that's because you're not sure you want to do it.
Okay, so you get cold feet means you're nervous, right? And you jump in with both feet, it means you want to do that right now. Or you start off the right way on the right foot means you start was a good start. And you put your foot down means you take charge. Okay, and if you drag your feet, that means you are doing that very slowly. It's not good. Okay? Go home and memorize that. Okay? Teacher have to speak. 好，这个第三个一定会搞不清楚，那个作业是什么 ？On the, may I borrow your Let's Speak English? Okay, on Let's Speak English, page, is it page 30?
Yes.
Okay, page 30 here, we have like get cold feet. Get cold feet means you get nervous. Okay? About something you're planning to do. 所以我下次会说 you get nervous about something you plan to do. 那你就要 write get cold feet. Is that okay?
Okay.
Or if teacher say you begin something with a right way, that means you have to write down jump in with both feet. Oh, but no, to begin something right away, then you write jump with both feet. Is that okay?
Okay.
So teacher will say English to you, then you have to write down the answer. Is that okay? Or if teacher say to begin something in a good way, what is that? To start off on the right foot. Does that understand? So we have 5 here on the right foot. Okay? Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Understand, Milo? 因为你最近常常 get 有点拐弯，所以特别要问你一下哦。OK， 如果不太清楚，回去看最后面哦。Is that okay? Understand? Okay.